Holy crap, it's freezing. Oh, it's getting cold. I need to hurry before the storm hits too hard. I don't know if I'll be able to make it home. I just need to find somewhere for cover. I need to hurry and run if I want to make it home. I don't think I can do this. I can't do it. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching the skit. I didn't really know how to end it, so I just ended it with that black part, and then I don't really know how to do outros, but this is my best attempt. I have it all written down on my notes because I'm gonna forget what to say. But thank you guys for like 100 subscribers in like 3 months. So like that's actually insane. We have like 102 at the time I'm recording this. So yeah. Let's try and get to 200. That would be cooler. Sorry I haven't really been out filming. I've just been busy with basketball and stuff like that. But I'm trying my best to stay consistent. And hopefully we have another skit coming out on Monday since this one's just short. Or Sunday. And then I switched from iMovie to Premiere Pro. So I'm like still trying to get used to it. So if this one's bad, I'm trying my hardest. So yeah, so I'm just trying to get better at Premiere Pro, and I'm just trying to get better content out to you guys for the videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it was interesting. Comment down below ideas that I could try, and yeah, bye, I guess.